Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for NEET. Start by building a strong foundation in basic concepts such as hybridization, inductive effects, and resonance. These are the building blocks for understanding more complex reactions. Focus on mastering the nomenclature and isomerism early on, as this will make subsequent topics much clearer. Consistent practice with these foundational elements is key to long-term retention and problem-solving. Once you have the basics down, dive deep into reaction mechanisms. Instead of just memorizing reactants and products, understand the step-by-step electron movement. This approach helps you predict outcomes for unfamiliar reactions. Group similar reactions together to identify patterns and common intermediates. Dedicate significant time to solving practice problems from various sources, including previous year's NEET papers, to solidify your understanding and improve speed. A crucial step is to organize your knowledge of reagents and named reactions. Make detailed notes or flashcards for each important reagent, listing its purpose and typical conditions. Similarly, compile a comprehensive list of all named reactions, understanding their mechanisms and specific applications. Consistent review of these notes will help you recall information quickly during exams. Practice applying reagents to different substrates to predict the correct products accurately. Finally, consistent revision and mock tests are indispensable. Use spaced repetition techniques to revisit topics at increasing intervals, ensuring information sticks in your long-term memory. Regularly attempt full-length mock tests under timed conditions to improve your speed, accuracy, and time management skills. Analyze your mistakes thoroughly to identify weak areas and refine your strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay focused and hydrated during your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.